Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Danger Fishing here today. And today, we're doing something that doesn't happen very often at all. We are fishing in an eclipse. We're going to fish like before it, see if we can't get some bites. We're going to fish during it while it's happening and see if maybe the bite slows down or speeds up or something along those lines. And then we are going to fish after it for a little bit to see if the bite picks up, slows down, changes again. That's really all. I'm probably going to keep it super simple today with my tactics. A jig and maybe a finesse worm. And maybe a Cinco. My lake's kind of getting drained or something's going on with it right now. So who knows how that's going to affect the bite. I got Danny right down there somewhere. Yep, right there. He's going to be with me and possibly my dad today. What time is it right now?
12 o'clock.
Almost 12 o'clock, and we're going to start pretty soon now. That's really all I got for you guys. Let's see how it goes. Well, let's get to it. Oh, that was awkward. Flip has begun. Mark was not on. I am so hyped for this thing. How are you feeling about this?
Good.
I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but like right out like right there on the back side of all of that, it's calm water. It's really still. Danny and I are about to grind it out. It's about to be heck cool.
What is going on here?
Hello ladies and gentlemen. I am about to do my first cast. Possibly, if I get these untangled. I'm telling you right now, if I get one bait that's working, I'm sticking with it. Yeah, Kaylee and I went to Harrisonville the other day. Caught 2 bass. The big old 2-0. Actually, it's 0-2, but...
Are they very big?
No. Kaylee lost one. Hers might have been a decent size. It was like up in these like really shallow area, and then it like dashed out from where it was at.
Oh, it's getting dark there.
That looks like orange. That's so weird. First class. Let's go. Oh shit. A drop shot, but I can see.
I just want to like be videotaping it when it goes from dark to dark.
This is probably the worst spot to be. There's so much freaking moss over here. I'm going around to the other side, so our back's to the wind. Let's zoom that out. Alright, so long story short, first location is a bust, too much moss. We're gonna head over to try to fish the dam, hopefully not get yelled at from there. I'm hoping that that's cleared up for the most part with moss, so we can just fish that all the way down before this eclipse happens. So we got about 40-ish minutes. So we're gonna see how that goes. See you guys when we get there. It's halfway, my dude.
Think so?
Look at this. Yeah, it's gonna come from this way. Which means we're at a perfect spot because we'll be able to see the shade coming. Just realized my mic wasn't on, but still no fish from me or Danny. We're gonna keep trucking down, see if we can't catch any. Throwing a jig and a crankbait now. See if we can catch any. Bite it. It's a big one on, bro. Got it. Oh. Felt my first bite today. That's a plus. Holy crap. And it's still
Oh,
freaking
close.
bright out.
I know, when you look at it just with your eyes, you still can't tell there's not anything in it.
I'm
I
gonna put
think
it
that
on there.
might be as full as it gets for us. Oh, easy
There it is. We're checking out the eclipse. Unfortunately, still no fish, but it's definitely getting darker out here, like we can tell. But I don't know how noticeable it is on the camera. I mean, even if we don't catch anything today, it kind of suck, but it's still pretty cool because we're fishing in an eclipse, and that doesn't usually happen.
full sun then.
I can't even see it. Oh, right there in the middle. Hardly anything left, and it's actually really, really dark out. What are you thinking of this, Danny?
I think it's pretty cool.
I do too. Good.